Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for an absolutely beautiful dining table for your next family meal, I want to show you this one. This table from Lasadelgar is absolutely perfect. I was looking for an expandable dining table for a small space, and this one really fits the bill. It extends from 47 to 63 inches, and it's really easy to do. You simply slide the table pieces apart and insert the leaf and slide it back together. And there's a super simple latching function that holds the table together, and it's very secure. So in a matter of just a few seconds, you can add a couple extra spaces at the dinner table for your guests. This table is made from a really sturdy, scratch-resistant MDF, and it has this super unique stainless steel base that adds a little modern touch. I just love the angle design to it. This table was packed and shipped really well and was in perfect condition when it arrived, and it took me maybe an hour to put it together by myself. I found that the table comfortably fits 6 with the leaf in and 4 with the leaf out. I absolutely love the natural wood grain and that beautiful wood color. However, this table does come in several other variations to suit your space. So I am super pleased with this table. It has definitely exceeded my expectations. I love how sturdy it is. I love how it's super simple to use, very functional, easy to clean, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And that's my point of view.